In this video, you will see how to delete a Meta Business Manager. For whatever the reason, you may need to delete your business manager. This could be because perhaps some of the assets in the business manager have been spoiled or disabled or ruined. Maybe the pixel was damaged or contaminated, or the pages were restricted. So whatever the reason is, you want to delete a business manager and you don't want any record of that. In order to delete a business manager, you will need to come into your business manager. If you have several business manager, go into the right one, go down, keep going down where it says business info. Click here. On the top it says permanently delete business. So if you click this, it will say that once you delete this or start this process, you cannot go back. Meaning if you delete it and that's it, this process cannot be reversed. If you try to delete the business manager, you can do that. Facebook will ask you for the password, and once you put your password, it will be on the process of deleting. Now there are some times where you cannot delete the business manager. Let's say for example, you have not paid some bills in an ad account, and that ad account is in the business manager where you want to delete that business manager. Now there are some scenarios where you cannot delete a business manager. Let's say you have an ad account within this business manager and you have not paid the bill, so you cannot delete that business manager. You may have catalog in your business manager. If you are having catalog, sometimes business manager cannot be deleted. You will need to remove the catalogs and stuff. So there are some times you cannot delete the business manager. If that is the case, simply chat to support and ask them why you cannot do it and how to delete the business manager. They will tell you to remove the catalog, pay the bills, or whatever is stopping the deletion process. That is it for the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see similar content, please consider subscribing the channel.